What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So welcome to my first weekly vlog. Yay! So I decided to do vlogs again because I just want to be more active here on social media, and I wanted to bring you guys more into what it is that I do. One of the reasons is because one of the most requested videos, or my most DM question, is always, how did I get started doing what I do? And sometimes people are interested in the interior decorating side. A lot of time they're interested in interior decorating, want to know how I got started doing that. And then also influencing, or being on social media, how I run YouTube and all of that stuff. So I decided, I'm like, you know what, well, let's just do weekly vlogs and just bring you guys into my life a little bit more, because the truth is I'm still just getting started and I'm still kind of figuring stuff out day by day. It is a lot that goes on behind the scenes, so I'm like, you know what, just might as well bring y'all along so y'all can see it is a lot, but it's fun. But it's still a lot at times, trying to figure it all out and all of that. So might as well bring y'all along for the journey. So today is Saturday. It is Saturday morning. Antonio and I are about to start on a client project. This is part of my week. I do client projects. I'm trying to run my YouTube business and all of that. So yeah, so it is 9 Saturday morning, and Antonio just had to run in Lowe's so we can get a tool for the project that we're about to do. I'm gonna take y'all along so y'all can see that. And in the midst of running businesses, we still have to find time for each other. We've been married 10 years, for y'all that don't know, and we love life. We love to travel and do things. So yeah, I just figured I'd just kind of bring y'all along for all of it. So if you're interested, then stick around. There's Antonio.
What's up, fam?
So we're gonna start on this client project. Hopefully this is probably gonna be pretty quick. We're just putting up some tile for somebody. We're gonna do that, and then we'll get along. Ooh, sun's moving. We'll get along with the rest of our day. So alright, so we're here. This is what we'll be doing today. We're gonna be removing this large mirror, and we'll be putting up tile, and then smaller mirrors. Alright, so this is where we're stopping for today, because you have to let the mastic dry, and then we're going to come back and do the grout tomorrow. But we are about to switch out these faucets for them, and then that'll be it for today.
I can never lie to you. I would really ride for you. You know I spend the time on you. I could hold it down for you. Let me spend the time on you. Let me spend the time on you.
Keep it on it with you. It's women that wanna swap with you. But with everything we've been through, you've been too. You've been one-sided, you've been solid. Know I had to see a lot before I got it. You really witnessed a good climb from the trenches.
So this is actually one of my favorite taco places. If y'all are in Jacksonville, right here on Airport Road, in front of the Quality Inn. Well, it's not even a Quality Inn no more, but on Airport Road, like going towards the airport, you'll see the taco stand. It's so good.
What it tastes like up close to.
So our favorite, I'm looking at the wrong spot. Here we go. So our favorite taco place is Los Tacos #1 in New York. And this is pretty similar. Los Tacos #1 is better now, but this hold us over until we get back to New York.
Different take on hot dogs.
Oh my God. If y'all ever come, try the super tacos. All right, y'all, so we made it back home. I am trying to figure out how long we have to sleep. I'm looking at the time. So that's how you know when you're trying to figure out your sleep availability or your rest pattern. We decided to go to the movies tonight. We wanted to see Creed. I heard it was really good, so we're gonna go. But after the work we just did, after the food we just ate, both of us are tired. So we're gonna take us a nap, and then we're gonna get up and we're gonna go to the movies. So I'll see y'all in about an hour. So, all right, there y'all go. So we slept a little bit longer than we were supposed to. It is 6:59 and the movie starts at 7:15. So we're trying to get there. We're gonna get there.
Credits is the first 15 minutes of the movie.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna rush now to the movie. After the movie is over, I'll let y'all know what I thought. Or if y'all seen it, then y'all tell me what y'all thought in the comments. Oh, did I say we're gonna see Creed? Did I say that before?
Yeah, and we're going to a new movie theater.
Yeah, going to a new movie theater we haven't been to. It's not new, it's been there for a while. It's just, we just never go to that one. So we're going there and we're going to see Creed, if I didn't say that before. So if y'all have seen it, let me know what y'all think. If not, then I'll let y'all know what I think and if it's worth you seeing it. So, all right, be back. So good morning. Last night, came home, went to bed. My son was actually in town, so kind of spent the night with him and then went to bed. So did not come back on here to tell y'all what I thought about the movie. It was all right. It was pretty good. I mean, I don't even remember what the second one was about. I cannot remember what Creed 2 was about, but this one was pretty good. The craziest part, y'all, was that like on our way to see the movie, the news broke that I guess Jonathan Majors was arrested for assaulting his girlfriend. So that's kind of crazy, but I don't know. We'll see what happened with that. But anyway, the movie was straight. To me, I thought it was kind of fast paced. Like everything just was developing really fast. But other than that, I mean, it was a good storyline. So I think it's worth seeing. And I think Michael B. Jordan did a pretty good job at directing and all of that. So yeah, it was cool. Anyway, we got to go finish the project that we started yesterday. Gonna go grout it up, and then that's pretty much it. We'll be done with that. And then I actually gotta go to work today. So that's about it. That's all that's going on today. You really went to go put on that shirt? Oh my God. Y'all, I can't, let me tell y'all something. I cannot do anything. Tonio literally just went to put on the same shirt that I'm wearing. Why?
But whose shirt is it?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Yeah, okay. It's his.
Matter.
I threw on one of Tonio t-shirts. So he gonna go in there and find the same shirt to put it on.
I didn't find it. That's
Let me tell y'all something. If I get dressed first and if I got on like blue, Tony gonna wear blue.
That's a lot.
Last night I had on a green jumper. He had on a green shirt. Like, we are not old people. Why do you insist on dressing alike? I don't get this.
By accident.
All right, bye y'all. Is it recording? Are we recording? All right, guys, we're done. Just want to show y'all what the bathroom look like. So as soon as Tony will step out of the way. Hold on one second. Hold on. All right, ready. Here we go. It looks very nice. So
we got to put the mirror on that.
yeah, so we did the tile, and then we they wanted the faucets, and then we put up the mirrors as well. So they did say they're gonna get the lights changed out to something gold, but that's what we did. And then about a month ago, we also painted their cabinets as well. So hopefully y'all can get a good look. So that was a quick weekend project. All right, we did that. Good morning, well, afternoon. It is Monday afternoon now, and I'm just waking up. Y'all, I feel like I'm fighting for my life. Like, so just trying to build a business and work and be there for your family, just everything is a lot. I took a job at the beginning of the year because I really needed to have income so that I can keep my business going. And I took a job at night, so I work in the evening. I go to work from 4. It's supposed to be from 4 to 12:30, but I work at the airport, so it's really like last flight because sometimes we have customers coming in, so sometimes we got to stay, and we end up having to stay a lot lately. We've ended up having to stay a lot lately because weather or whatever, the flight's just been delayed. So last night I got off work at like 2 in the morning, and my issue is I'm coming home and it takes me a while to wind down. Like, I can't just come home and fall straight to sleep. So I ended up falling asleep like 4, I think. Yeah, like 4. And then I get up at 7:30 to get my son dressed to go to school. And then I come back home, and most of the time I just lay back down after I drop him off. My intention was, okay, let me lay back down, take him to school, lay back down, get up at 10, and then I can get some stuff done. But it was no getting up this morning at all. And I'm in the bed like dreaming about everything that I gotta do. Like, I got so much stuff I gotta do in my head, going over like room designs and just a whole to-do list of stuff I gotta get done. I was supposed to be at some stores today, but I couldn't move. So I don't know. I gotta figure out something because I can't do this every day. If I end up sleeping every day, I'm never gonna get anything done. But anyway, yeah, so it's just all a part of being an entrepreneur and building a business. You gotta fight for it. And I literally feel like I'm fighting. Fighting myself, like, get your behind out of bed. Like, anyway, so let me show y'all what we got going on today. Well, it's almost time for me to go back to work, but I told y'all I had all of these plans and to-do lists in my head because I do have a lot of stuff to do. So what I'm working on right now is my office. So y'all know, if you've been here for any amount of time, y'all know I've done the office a few times, but I am clearing everything out again because we are really about to do the office. And when I say do the office, I mean really do it. Like, every time I don't know, I guess it just comes with decorating. Like, you know, you start at one level and then you just begin to level up. So I'm really wanting to elevate and level up this office and really design it for real, So we'll be doing, we're clearing everything out. Y'all see I've gotten rid of most of the things. These things on the ground is just some other stuff I gotta go through. But we'll be doing some built-ins here. That was one of the lacks of my office design, is that I didn't have any storage except for this little thing. And what ends up happening is that all of my like filming equipment, I would have it over here or tucked off in corners over there, and it just didn't work. So We're going to be putting in some storage and really bringing in some nice quality furniture. I mean, this piece was okay. It was something I ended up getting at like a yard sale or something like that, and I ended up painting it. But elevating means just that. We're going to elevate. We're going to really get some quality pieces in here and really design this office for real. So that's my project. That's what I've been dreaming about and working on in my head. So yeah, anyway, thank y'all for hanging out with me. I hope y'all are enjoying this. I kind of wanted to do this for me too. I really wanted to document my journey, because that is really what I intend for this to be, a documentation of me building this business and really making it, because it's just what I want. So, and I would just love to look back and see how I started and, you know, key moments of when I made it. So yeah. Good morning, you guys. So I am up this morning, still tired, but I'm up, and I have made it to pick up my order here at IKEA. I did exactly what I said I was going to do yesterday, which was map out the design for the bookcase in my office, and I did that, and then I just went ahead and ordered it, placed the order, and it is ready. So I'm here to pick it up. From here though, I am going to be starting the office makeover, so make sure y'all tune in for those videos. It will be a few different parts because I got a couple projects planned in there: the bookcase, building a desk, and possibly some barn doors. So stay tuned for that, because it's going to be a lot of different videos for the office makeover, just showing y'all how to do some stuff, and then in addition to, you know, the overall whole makeover. Anyway, I'm here to pick up my order. Let me get my things, and then I think I'm gonna get back to the house. I kind of want to walk through IKEA, but then I kind of don't, because then I'll end up being here for an hour. I ain't trying to do that. So let's get our order. I came inside. I'll see y'all on the next one.